Hello everyone, welcome to back to Snap. Download in the Flipkart apps and play our money on the more super coins. And then now start only correct answer.
Flipkart quiz Daam Sahi Hai Season 2 Episode 155 Oyster Evil. And number one question is the MRP of the Whirlpool 325L Forest the free the converts the registration greater than or less than 35,000 and now the right answer greater than 35,000. And second number questions the MRP of the practice Omega umbrella fry fan sell under which price rank and now of the right answers 900 to 1199. And three number questions what is the MRP of Borosil oven twister grill and now of the right answer 9690. Thanks for watching in this video.